How to clear top locations on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear top locations on your Snapchat. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your avatar like this. Now go to the top here and click on the settings, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find as you can see, until you find the places, as you can see. Now click on it and you will find clear top locations here. Click on clear top locations and choose clear. Now everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.